views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the views of BronxNet or the program underwriters.
This is an initiative of Insight for New Housing's Executive Director Greg Bell in conjunction with BronxNet Public Access Television's channels 67, 68, 69, 70, and Verizon Fios channel 33, 34, 35, and 36.
Hello everyone, I'm Aria Feliciano. I'm a graphic designer for BronxNet, and I'm currently recording from quarantine from my home. This is a special informative and educational edition of the Greg Bell Community Calendar, brought to you by BronxNet Television. Due to COVID-19, the coronavirus, we would like to take this Community Calendar special edition to offer you tips and public health awareness information that can help you stay safe. Hello Bronx seniors. Here is a list of supermarkets and their senior-only hours. Key Food Supermarkets, located at 760 Melrose Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. If you need additional information, please call 718-292-5549. Once again, that telephone number is 718-292-5549. Fine Fare Supermarket in High Bridge, 1136 Ogden Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 718-588-5118. Once again, that telephone number is 718-588-5118. Compare Food Supermarket at 1187 Jerome Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 718-538-5216. Once again, that number is 718-538-5216. Target, located at 700 Exterior Street. Seniors, pregnant women, and those defined by the CDC as vulnerable or at-risk hours are on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If you need additional information, please call 718-401-5651. Once again, that telephone number is 718-401-5651. BJ's Wholesale at 610 Exterior Street. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 718-292-5410. Once again, that number is 718-292-5410. Dollar General, located at 528 Jackson Avenue, and the Dollar General at 1412 Jerome Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 929-264-7589. Once again, that telephone number is 929-264-7589. Remember, older New Yorkers are resilient, resourceful, and make our families and our communities strong. If you are not an older New Yorker, remember that by staying home, you help keep our neighborhoods healthy. Please stay safe and be well. Hey Bronx parents! In Blaze Academy Charter School, located at 1164 Garrison Avenue, Bronx, New York, is calling all current 4th and 5th grade families. Llamando a todas la familia de cuarto y quinto grado. Enroll today. There are limited seats for the 2020 to 2021 school year. In Blaze Academy is founded on the belief that all students, regardless of race, socioeconomic status, home language, or zip code, can learn and achieve at high levels when held to the highest expectations. Students will continue to have access to high-quality instruction regardless of all that is happening outside. For more information, please call 929-388-0011. Once again, that is 929-388-0011. Or you can visit emblazeacademy.org. Once again, that is emblazeacademy.org. Heads up to Bronxites and all other New Yorkers. The 2020 census is for everyone, and it's happening now. You can respond online, by phone, or by mail. Now, despite the coronavirus, you must respond to the census. The time is now. Help shape your future and your community's future by responding to the 2020 census. These official Census Bureau mailings will include detailed information and a census ID for completing the census online. During this time frame, some homes will receive a paper questionnaire, sometimes known as the census form. The census will ask a few simple questions about you and everyone who is or will be living with you on April 1st, 2020. For the first time, you can choose to complete the census online, by phone, or by mail. You can complete the online questionnaire in English, Spanish, Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, Russian, Arabic, Polish, French, Haitian Creole, Portuguese, Japanese, and many other languages. If you do not receive an invitation to respond from the Census Bureau, you may respond online. For more information, please go to 2020census.gov. Once again, that's 2020census.gov.
Can one girl in a small town, an architect in a major city, and a suburban high school coach shape the future of the United States? Yes, they can. Because every 10 years, the census gives us that power. You can shape your future by responding to the 2020 census. Where do we need new roads to make our lives easier? Where will new school programs help our children thrive? Where could a new health clinic benefit neighborhoods? The 2020 census will inform these decisions and shape how billions of dollars will be distributed to communities like yours each year. And in 2020, you can respond to the census online, by phone, or by mail. It's easy, safe, and important. Make sure you and everyone you know is counted. Now is the time for you to get involved. Your community needs you. Together, we can educate and excite, inspire, and make sure every voice is heard. Together, we can shape our future.
Hey, Bronx small business owners! SBA Coronavirus Economic Injury Disaster Loan for you. The Small Business Administration, SBA, is offering low-interest federal disaster loans for working capital to small businesses or private nonprofit organizations that are suffering substantial economic injury as a result of the coronavirus. If you are a New York State-based business, they can help guide you through this loan process. Here are the details. Your business must be experiencing a business loss due to COVID-19. Entities may qualify for loans up to $2 million. Maximum unsecured loan amount is $25,000. Interest rates, 3.75% for small businesses, 2.75% for private nonprofits. Terms, up to 30 years. Use of funds, working capital, paying fixed debts, payroll, accounts payable, other bills that could have been paid had the disaster not occurred. Applicants can have an existing SBA loan or other SBA loan and still qualify for this disaster loan. For more information, please go to nyssbdc.org. Once again, that website is nyssbdc.org, or you can call 800-659-2955. Once again, that number is 800-659-2955. Hello, New Yorkers. As the coronavirus, COVID-19, continues its advancing in the U.S., the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, designed the Coronavirus Guidelines for America, 15 days to slow the spread. First, listen to and follow the directions of your state and local authorities. If you feel sick, stay home. Do not go to work and contact your medical provider. If your children are sick, keep them at home. Do not send them to school and contact your medical provider. If someone in your household has tested positive for the coronavirus, keep the entire household at home. Do not go to work, do not go to school, and contact your medical providers. If you are an older person, stay home and away from other people. If you are a person with a serious underlying health condition that can put you at an increased risk, for example, a condition that impairs your lung or heart function, or weakness with your immune system, stay home and away from other people. Please do your part to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Even if you are young or otherwise healthy, you are at risk, and your activities can increase the risk for others. It is critical that you do your part to slow the spread of the coronavirus. For more information, please visit cdc.gov. Once again, that website is cdc.gov. Hi, Bronxites! NYC Health Department offers guidance for people with HIV. Most people with HIV do not need to take additional precautions for COVID-19. There is no evidence that having HIV puts you at greater risk of severe illness, but people with HIV can take these steps to protect themselves further. Take HIV medications and other medications as prescribed. This will keep your immune system strong, your CD4 count high, and your viral load undetectable. Maintain a supply of all your medicines. Don't wait until the last minute or when you're running low. Ask your HIV care provider or pharmacy for an additional month's supply of medication. If you have trouble getting medication, call the New York State Uninsured Care Programs at 800-542-2437. Have a way to contact your HIV clinic. We may all have to stay home for the next few weeks. Use the clinic's online portal or make sure you can contact your providers by phone or text. Get recommended vaccinations for flu and pneumonia. These vaccines prevent respiratory illness that could be confused with COVID-19 and help prevent getting 2 serious respiratory illnesses at once. For more information, please go to nyc.gov/coronavirus. Once again, that's nyc.gov/coronavirus. Attention New Yorkers. IRS Taxpayer Assistance Center Statement. As the COVID-19 coronavirus crisis continues to develop, the IRS is taking multiple steps to protect our employees, America's taxpayers, communities, and our partners. In response to the national emergency, the IRS has temporarily closed all taxpayer assistance centers and discontinued face-to-face service throughout the country until further notice. The IRS is continuing to process tax returns, issue refunds, and help taxpayers to the greatest extent possible. Taxpayers are highly encouraged to go to irs.gov and to the newly created irs.gov/coronavirus. You can find the latest updates about IRS services, explore free options to file, or request an extension to file at irs.gov/freefile. You can also find forms, tax help, refund status, and payment options. For more information, please go to irs.gov/coronavirus. Once again, that is irs.gov/coronavirus. To the parents in the times of coronavirus. Children and teens react in part on what they see from the adults around them. When parents and caregivers deal with COVID-19 calmly and confidently, they can provide the best support for their children. Parents can be more reassuring to others around them, especially children, if they are better prepared. Not all children and teens respond to stress in the same way. Take time to talk with your child or teen about the coronavirus. Answer questions and share facts about COVID-19 in a way that your child or teen can understand. Reassure your child or teen that they are safe. Let them know it is okay if they feel upset. Share with them how you deal with your own stress so that they can learn how to cope from you. Limit your family's exposure to news coverage of the event, including social media. Children may misinterpret what they hear and can be frightened about something they do not understand. Try to keep up with regular routines. If schools are closed, create a schedule for learning activities and relaxing or fun activities. Be a role model. For more information, please go to cdc.gov. Once again, that website is cdc.gov. Hello, New Yorkers. You can help prevent the spread of any virus, including the coronavirus. Here's what you need to know about the coronavirus. You can prevent the spread of any virus by staying home if you feel sick, covering your sneezes and coughs with your sleeve, not your hands, and washing your hands often with soap and warm water. If you feel flu-like symptoms, fever, cough, and shortness of breath, and recently traveled to an area affected by the coronavirus, or have been in close contact with somebody who has, go to your doctor. If you have symptoms but not travel history, stay home and call your doctor. If you need connection to a medical professional, call 311. If you're feeling well, no need to wear a face mask. And don't worry if someone else does. People wear face masks for many reasons. Be respectful. For updates and other helpful information, please go to nyc.gov/health/coronavirus. Once again, that's nyc.gov/health/coronavirus. Coronavirus tax relief. In response to the national emergency and to protect the employees, America's taxpayers, communities, and our partners, the IRS has temporarily closed all taxpayer assistance centers and discontinued face-to-face service throughout the country until further notice. The IRS is continuing to process tax returns, issue refunds, and help taxpayers to the greatest extent possible. The IRS has established a special section focused on steps to help taxpayers, businesses, and others affected by the coronavirus. For more information, please visit irs.gov/coronavirus. Once again, that's irs.gov/coronavirus. Hey, Bronx small business owners! SBA Coronavirus Economic Injury Disaster Loan for you. The Small Business Administration, SBA, is offering low-interest federal disaster loans for working capital to small businesses or private nonprofit organizations that are suffering substantial economic injury as a result of the coronavirus. If you are a New York State-based business, they can help guide you through this loan process. Here are the details. Your business must be experiencing a business loss due to COVID-19. Entities may qualify for loans up to $2 million. Maximum unsecured loan amount is $25,000. Interest rates, 3.75% for small businesses, 2.75% for private nonprofits. Terms, up to 30 years. Use of funds, working capital, paying fixed debts, payroll, accounts payable, other bills that could have been paid had the disaster not occurred. Applicants can have an existing SBA loan or other SBA loan and still qualify for this disaster loan. For more information, please go to nyssbdc.org. Once again, that website is nyssbdc.org, or you can call 800-659-2955. Once again, that number is 800-659-2955. Bronxites. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, want to help you to identify the symptoms of coronavirus disease 2019. Patients with COVID-19 have experienced mild to severe respiratory illness. Symptoms can include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. The symptoms may appear from 2 to 14 days after exposure. Seek medical advice if you develop symptoms and have been in close contact with a person known to have COVID-19, or if you live in or have recently been in an area with ongoing spread of COVID-19. For more information, please visit cdc.gov/COVID-19-symptoms. Once again, that's cdc.gov/COVID-19-symptoms. Hey Bronx parents! In Blaze Academy Charter School, located at 1164 Garrison Avenue, Bronx, New York, is calling all current 4th and 5th grade families. Llamando a todas la familia de cuarto y quinto grado. Enroll today. There are limited seats for the 2020 to 2021 school year. Emblaze Academy is founded on the belief that all students, regardless of race, socioeconomic status, home language, or zip code, can learn and achieve at high levels when held to the highest expectations. Students will continue to have access to high-quality instruction regardless of all that is happening outside. For more information, please call 929-388-0011. Once again, that is 929-388-0011. Or you can visit emblazeacademy.org. Once again, that is emblazeacademy.org. Hello, New Yorkers. As the coronavirus, COVID-19, continues its advancing in the U.S., the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, designed the Coronavirus Guidelines for America, 15 days to slow the spread. First, listen to and follow the directions of your state and local authorities. If you feel sick, stay home. Do not go to work and contact your medical provider. If your children are sick, keep them at home. Do not send them to school and contact your medical provider. If someone in your household has tested positive for the coronavirus, keep the entire household at home. Do not go to work, do not go to school, and contact your medical providers. If you are an older person, stay home and away from other people. If you are a person with a serious underlying health condition that can put you at an increased risk, for example, a condition that impairs your lung or heart function, or weakness with your immune system, stay home and away from other people. Please do your part to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Even if you are young or otherwise healthy, you are at risk, and your activities can increase the risk for others. It is critical that you do your part to slow the spread of the coronavirus. For more information, please visit cdc.gov. Once again, that website is cdc.gov.
All right, and this concludes this edition of the Speaking Community Calendar. The following public service announcements are available to the public all year long.
Heads up to Bronxites and all other New Yorkers. The 2020 census is for everyone, and it's happening now. You can respond online, by phone, or by mail. Now, despite the coronavirus, you must respond to the census. The time is now. Help shape your future and your community's future by responding to the 2020 census. These official Census Bureau mailings will include detailed information and a census ID for completing the census online. During this time frame, some homes will receive a paper questionnaire, sometimes known as the census form. The census will ask a few simple questions about you and everyone who is or will be living with you on April 1st, 2020. For the first time, you can choose to complete the census online, by phone, or by mail. You can complete the online questionnaire in English, Spanish, Chinese, Vietnamese, Korean, Russian, Arabic, Polish, French, Haitian Creole, Portuguese, Japanese, and many other languages. If you do not receive an invitation to respond from the Census Bureau, you may respond online. For more information, please go to 2020census.gov. Once again, that's 2020census.gov.
Can one girl in a small town, an architect in a major city, and a suburban high school coach shape the future of the United States? Yes, they can. Because every 10 years, the census gives us that power. You can shape your future by responding to the 2020 census. Where do we need new roads to make our lives easier? Where will new school programs help our children thrive? Where could a new health clinic benefit neighborhoods? The 2020 census will inform these decisions and shape how billions of dollars will be distributed to communities like yours each year. And in 2020, you can respond to the census online, by phone, or by mail. It's easy, safe, and important. Make sure you and everyone you know is counted. Now is the time for you to get involved. Your community needs you. Together, we can educate and excite. inspire, and make sure every voice is heard. Together, we can shape our future.
Hello, Bronx seniors. Here is a list of supermarkets and their senior-only hours. Key Food Supermarkets, located at 760 Melrose Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. If you need additional information, please call 718-292-5549. Once again, that telephone number is 718-292-5549. Fine Fare Supermarket in High Bridge, 1136 Ogden Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 718-588-5118. Once again, that telephone number is 718-588-5118. Compare Food Supermarket at 1187 Jerome Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 718-538-5216. Once again, that number is 718-538-5216. Target, located at 700 Exterior Street. Seniors, pregnant women, and those defined by the CDC as vulnerable or at-risk hours are on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. If you need additional information, please call 718-401-5651. Once again, that telephone number is 718-401-5651. BJ's Wholesale at 610 Exterior Street. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 718-292-5410. Once again, that number is 718-292-5410. Dollar General, located at 528 Jackson Avenue, and the Dollar General at 1412 Jerome Avenue. Senior-only hours are from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. For more information, please call 929-264-7589. Once again, that telephone number is 929-264-7589. Remember, older New Yorkers are resilient, resourceful, and make our families and our communities strong.
I'd like to thank all my Speaking Community Calendar viewers and listeners for tuning into the Speaking Community Calendar. Now, to submit your community event, please go to bronxnet.org/yourbronx. Once again, it's bronxnet.org/yourbronx. The Greg Bell Community Calendar is brought to you by BronxNet Public Access Television, Channel 67, 68, 69, and 70, along with Verizon Bios Channel 33, 34, 35, and 36.